DICE stands for the Dramatic Improvisation Collaborative Experience, and we work collectively as playwrights, directors, and audience members that push each other further.
It's not like devising where someone will go back and say, well, what if he was more like this? And then you do it and it's changed. This is one shot, this is one take, you are just there and the character is what you have made of it.
Do this form that we loved and that challenged us so much as performers, and slowly we realized we have something really special here.
It's kind of hard to describe in words because you're living as an audience member and as the performer in kind of the worst or best moments of these people's lives that you've created, and that's not something that really you find anywhere else.
Make yourself feel anything. You don't have to gear yourself up the way you do in a scripted piece because you know it has to go to A to B to C to D. You can just be totally immersed in it, and everybody here is so wonderfully talented that you know it's going to be interesting.
Crazy.
Cathartic.
Voyeuristic.
Explosion.
Train wreck.
Unknown.